The yoga practices have a very powerful effect on the structure and the function of our actual brain. And once we start to understand how to work with the yoga practices related to our neurobiology, we have an amazing and powerful recipe for being able to activate calming hormones, happy hormones, and just a better baseline coming off of dealing with stress.
What we're offering is both professional growth and personal growth. When we go into things like polyvagal theory or salutogenesis or how to build resilience, it's just natural that you will feel these things that we're talking about in your own body and start to think about how to apply them to your own life. But in addition, you're going to gain valuable ways to work with your clients. And so I don't think there's a better recipe than getting to talk about brain science and mental health and yoga and get to grow professionally and personally.
So much is happening right now all over our world, and people are escalated in their emotional response patterns. And these techniques and strategies and theory that Amy and I are bringing to the table are not only powerful, but they provide a conceptualization that integrates neuroscience, yoga, mental health, meditation, mindfulness. It's an integrative process of examining and being more deeply aware of our neurobiology and how to impact on these mood states in a very positive way, and how to literally change the wiring in our brain.
What I want people to leave this program with is this framework on how to think about the brain, the nervous system, and even the ancient teachings of yoga like the gunas, and how do those things come together to create a framework to look at the client so that we can assess them properly and decide which yogic tools and technologies we want to use to stimulate the vagus nerve, or to balance the autonomic nervous system, or to, as we will talk about, decrease the activation in the amygdala when the fear response comes up. So my goal is to allow participants to have this beautiful framework that they can take home and work with their clients.